My credit repair software is better than yours. Do you want to know why? Experience the power of automated credit repair with Credit Money Machine. Are you tired of manually managing your credit repair? Our cutting-edge software, Credit Money Machine, revolutionizes the process with its robust automation features. This professional-grade software integrates seamlessly with multiple popular credit report providers, including Identity IQ, MyScore IQ, Smart Credit, My Free Score Now, Privacy Guard, and many more. With a single click, you can extract your credit report data and let Credit Money Machine do the heavy lifting. Our software doesn't just extract data, it takes action. It automatically assigns 10 freeze letters to secondary bureaus, prepares 3 personal information letters, sets up all the dispute reasons and letters, and creates the collection validation letters all ready to print at a moment's notice. Credit Money Machine also intelligently flags inquiries that shouldn't be disputed due to their positive impact or age, ensuring your credit score isn't unintentionally affected. But that's just the start. Credit Money Machine also includes a comprehensive CRM with an integrated email system, send and receive. Our software also features a marketing campaign system, virtual funnels, SMS system, send and receive, an invoice system, a sophisticated workflow system, artificial intelligence to create letters, a business lead finder, authorized .NET integration, Zapier integration, API, and much more. Ready to take your credit repair to the next level? Schedule a live presentation or find out more about Credit Money Machine by visiting www.creditrepairsoftwaremachine.com or call us at 954-568-7153. Experience the future of credit repair today.